Hi, this is Philip with Mantus, and today I'm going to show you how to assemble and seize your swivel. In this case, I have our S2, our medium-sized swivel, and in the box you're going to get the swivel part itself. You'll get seizing wire, teflon tape, a shackle, and a cotter pin. This will be an alternative solution to assembling your swivel. So to assemble the swivel, you'll take off the swivel collar. Be careful not to lose the pin. We'll put this to the side. You will wrap the threads of the swivel with the teflon tape provided. You'll then insert your bitter end link of the chain. You'll insert your pin through that link, and then you'll close the collar body. You'll see there's a hole that runs directly through the body of the swivel. This is where you're going to insert your seizing wire. You'll take one piece of wire and you'll thread it through the hole all the way through. You'll leave about an inch or an inch and a half bitter end here. That wire you'll run through one half or one hemisphere of the swivel for a pass all the way through. In terms of tools, you'll need a pair of pliers, and I like to use also a secondary pair of needle nose pliers to help me twist the wire. You'll take the wire and you'll run through one pass and then two passes through the hole. After the second pass, you want to make sure to use your pliers to tighten up that wire, make sure everything's nice and snug. And you'll take what's left of the wire, run it along the body of the swivel one more time, and give those wires a twist. You'll then take your pliers or your needle nose pliers, and you'll give 2 to 3 wraps or twists of the wire to lock them in place. You can cut off the excess. And we're going to do the same thing to the other half of the swivel. I like to run my bitter end now on the opposite side of the swivel. And now I'm going to be doing the remaining work on this side of the swivel. Again, you'll make a second pass. And on the last pass, you'll tighten everything up, making sure that the seizing wire is tight along the body of the swivel. And on that final pass, you'll give the wire a twist and use your pliers to do 2 or 3 twists to lock that wire in place. And then you'll cut off the excess. And you can tuck those ends back into the original holes. Now, the shackle of the swivel, this is going to go around the shank of your anchor. You're going to attach the shackle to the shank of the anchor, back to the swivel. You will close the pin of the shackle. You can hand tighten, and then I would give 1 or 2 turns to snug up the pin of the shackle. And to make sure that that shackle pin cannot back out when in use, we're also going to seize the pin of the shackle. The shackle has a hole provided for seizing wire. You'll put that wire through the hole, then through the body of the shackle, and back through the hole. This again ensures that the shackle pin cannot be backed out. Twist those wires together using your pliers. Again, 2 to 3 twists to lock that wire in place. Now, with seizing wire, you don't want to give it too many twists, and then the wire becomes fragile and can break. So 2 to 3 twists is fine, not too tight. Cut the excess wire, and then you can tuck your twists and get them out of the way. And that's it. Now your Mantus Swivel is ready to go. Now, I do have a secondary option for customers who do not want to use wire. They can use a cotter pin, which we provide. You insert the cotter pin through the hole in the swivel body. It's a special T-shaped cotter pin, and you'll see the two prongs. You'll bend them on either side of the swivel body to keep the cotter pin in place. And there you go.